Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Indira Apriliana. I like to share a research entitled Reading Comprehension Using Jigsaw. The writer Agustina Dwi, Dahlan Rais, and Happy Sulistiawati. Years 2014. Name of journal: Improving Student Reading Comprehension Using Jigsaw. The objective of the research: 1. To describe how Jigsaw improved the student reading comprehension at the 8th grade of SMP Islam Diponegoro. 2. To describe how Jigsaw can improve class situation. Related theory: reading comprehension is a complex process of constructing meaning by coordinating a number of complex processes that include word reading, word and word knowledge, and influencing, interacting between readers and what they bring to the text, and carrying out for a extended period of time and with efficiency, few processing difficult and default to automatic word recognition. Synthetic parsing. Meaning information and text building, comprehension process, and also receiving and interpreting information encoded in language form via the medium of print, and it occurs when the reader extracts and integrates various information from the text and combines it with what is already known. Research method. Classroom action research is any systematic inquiry conducted by teacher, research, principal, school counselor, or other stakeholder in the teaching or learning environment to gather information about the ways that their particular school operates, how they teach, and how well their students learn. Result: the result of class observation showed that only few students who paid attention to the lesson. The teacher had to translate new words in the whiteboard, or orally. The English teacher still used lecture or conventional technique and effective in using media to teach the student. The benefit for reader: we know Jigsaw technique could also improve students' reading comprehension, engage meaning of new word or vocabulary. Through the activity in Jigsaw group, they could predict the meaning of difficult words of their material. They guessed them by looking at the context, word, and sentence surrounding the word. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.